Do you recognize these pictures? Well, if you do, you probably saw them on your Instagram or Twitter feed on July 11th or 12th of 2022. These were the first images taken by the James Webb Telescope, released by Joe Biden and NASA at a press conference.
NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has produced the deepest and sharpest infrared images of the distant universe to date. Known as Webb's first deep field, this image of galaxy cluster SMACS 0723 is overflowing with detail. Thousands of galaxies, including the faintest objects ever observed in the infrared, have appeared in Webb's view for the first time.
This was the clearest visualization of these far galaxies, and the photo went viral many times on people's social media timelines. Very rarely does news of technological advancement catch the attention of so many people, which proves how monumental the invention of the James Webb Telescope has been and will continue to be. As Biden said, it's a new window into the history of our universe, and today, we're going to get a glimpse of the first light to shine through that window, light from other worlds, orbiting stars far beyond our own.
The James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared observatory orbiting the Sun about 1 million miles from the Earth to find the first galaxies that formed in early universe and to see stars forming planetary systems.
So how does the telescope work? Webb uses infrared light, which cannot be perceived by the human eye, to study every phase in cosmic history. So what did it take to make the telescope? The James Webb Telescope cost about $10 billion between funds from NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. It took 30 years to complete. This means it ended up being 20 times over budget and 15 years behind schedule.
Keeping this in mind, what did it need to replace? The Hubble Space Telescope's mission has gathered dozens of terabytes of data over the decades, providing key insights into the universe. However, the Hubble telescope started showing signs of being dated. For example, the telescope went offline for a month in the summer of 2021 after experiencing an issue with its main payload computer. The truth is, nobody knows for sure how much longer the Hubble will be able to keep studying the cosmos. Scientists estimate it to endure through 2025 and perhaps beyond, but that's just an estimate.
The James Webb Telescope is a worthy and necessary successor to the Hubble telescope. What we are really here to talk about is the historic day the pictures were released to the public. This Google trend shows the spike of relevancy when the pictures were first released. The highest peak was July 10th through the 16th.
So why is space so fascinating to us?
It is fascinating to us because of the unknown. Now, because of the James Webb Telescope, we are getting closer to discovering what is currently beyond our reach. NASA keeps a public update and posts every time the telescope released a new image on part of their website, which is delegate to the James Webb Telescope.
So why will we care about the JWT in 100 years from now? 1, this is the most powerful space technology out there currently. 2, the photos taken by the JWT will be referenced for generations to come. You will definitely see them in newer science books and studied as a big time in history for science. 3, the scope, extent, and clarity of these images are providing us with more information than ever on what space and its many complicated aspects look like or have looked like in the past. This telescope has opened a new door for scientific research and new technologies that will be modeled after the JWT. We are one step closer to finding life in space, if there is any. There is so much more for us to learn, and thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we can look forward to doing so.
Check out the James Webb Telescope website for more information.